Good morning everyone. Welcome to Vijay Physics World. In previous video, we completed how to find specific heat of lead shots. Right now we are going to discuss about one more new topic. Let us start our video with how to find how much heat energy required. Changes of 1 gram of ice minus 5 degrees Celsius to steam at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. This is one more content let us going to discuss. Okay, right now before going to discuss about this, what are the changes happens in ice we need to consider. First of all, suppose if we consider ice in one small container and then supply heat energy to it, then what the changes happens, let us observe. Okay, if you observe carefully, ice changes into water if we supply heat energy continuously. Again, water changes into boiling water. Again, if we supply heat energy continuously, boiling water changes into steam. Okay, in this, how many changes are we are going to observe in this? Right now, I am going to write on the board. You can find here. First point in this, minus 5 degrees Celsius ice converted into 0 degrees Celsius ice. Minus 5 degrees Celsius ice converted to 0 degrees Celsius ice. Okay. Second point, 0 degrees Celsius ice will be that 0 degrees Celsius ice again converted into 0 degrees Celsius water. Okay, 0 degrees Celsius water again converted into boiling water. 0 degrees Celsius ice, by supplying heat energy, it increases its temperature, reaches to 100 degrees Celsius, and right now which is giving you boiling water. Again, boiling water, still we are supplying heat energy to it. Then what the changes happens? 100 degrees Celsius boiling water changes to steam. (100 degrees Celsius steam). Okay, these are the changes happens in ice. Minus 5 degrees Celsius ice converting into 0 degrees Celsius ice by supplying heat energy continuously. 0 degrees Celsius ice converting into 0 degrees Celsius water. Again we are supplying heat energy. 0 degrees Celsius ice converting into 100 degrees Celsius water. 100 degrees Celsius boiling water again converted to 100 degrees Celsius steam. These are the changes happens in by supplying heat energy to a ice. Okay. Right now, which formula is suitable for taking all these? Okay, right now, minus 5 degrees Celsius ice converting into 0 degrees Celsius ice. What is the formula we are going to use? 0 degrees Celsius ice converting into 0 degrees Celsius water. What the formula? And next, 0 degrees Celsius ice to 100 degrees Celsius boiling water. 100 degrees Celsius boiling water to 100 degrees Celsius steam. But we have only two formulas. Specific heat, we have two formulas. One is Q is equal to ms delta T, and second one Q is equals to ml. These are the two formulas are there for us. Okay, where we need to use these two formulas in 4 cases. Okay, if there is any change in temperature, then we need to take ms delta T. If there is no change in temperature, then we need to take ml. Okay, here we have again two definitions will be. Okay, what is that? 0 degrees Celsius ice converting into 0 degrees Celsius water, that we are calling it as melting. Okay, what is meant by melting? The process of change of state of a substance from solid to liquid, that we are calling it as melting. Okay, and here we have a boiling. What is meant by boiling? The process of change of state from liquid to gaseous state, that we are calling it as boiling. Okay, at which temperature which is happening? Boiling is takes place at 100 degrees Celsius, melting is taking place at 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, right now which formula we are going to use here? Q is equals to, let us suppose I am considering it as Q1. Q1 is equals to M specific heat of ice delta T1. Second equation, there is no change in temperature, so we are taking it as ml ice, that we are calling it as L ice. L ice is called specific latent heat of fusion, or L ice you can consider. And third, boiling water. So Q3 is equals to ms water delta T2 I am taking. And what is the formula used for this stage? ml steam. Okay, these are the main four formulas we are going to use to solve this problem. Okay, and right now, what is the total amount of heat energy required? Total amount, Q is equals to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus and Q4. What is Q1? There is a change in temperature delta T1, and there is a change in temperature in third case delta T2. Okay, delta T1, how much change in temperature? Delta T1 is equals to, but we have minus 5 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius. So we will get 5 degrees Celsius. Directly I am writing 5 degrees Celsius. And what is delta T2? Delta T2 is equals to 0 degrees Celsius ice changes into 100 degrees Celsius boiling water. So 100 minus 0 is giving you 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, and here you are observing some constants: specific heat of ice, latent heat of ice, specific heat of water, latent heat of steam. They won't give us these values. We need to remember. Okay, specific heat of ice is constant 0.5 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Specific heat of water 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Latent heat of ice is equals to 80 calorie per gram. Latent heat of steam or vapor you can take. Okay, which is giving you 540 calorie per gram. These are the values which are remained constant. While doing problem, they won't give us. So we need to remember, and sometimes they will ask us questions in bits, so that you can remember. Okay, then I'm going to write the formula here, substituting all the formulas in this equation. ms ice delta T1, which is Q1, Q2 value ml ice plus third equation ms water delta T2 plus fourth equation ml steam. These are the four equations we have. Okay, I substituted four equations in this to find the total amount. Okay, what is the mass of ice? Mass of ice given as 1 gram. So that I'll substitute here 1 into specific heat of ice, already gave you 0.5, delta T1 rise in temperature I calculated 5 degrees Celsius, plus again 1 gram latent heat of ice given as 80, plus mass of the ice 1, specific heat of water is 1, and delta T2 value calculated 100, plus mass of the substance again 1, latent heat of steam value 540. Okay, let us calculate total value. 0.5 into 5 is giving you 2.5 plus this value is 80 plus this value is 100 plus this value is 540. 540, 100, 80 plus 2.5, which is giving you 722.5 calories. Okay, what is the total amount of heat energy required to change minus 5 degrees Celsius of ice to steam at 100 degrees Celsius? Okay, like this we can calculate the amount of heat energy required. Okay, similarly we can calculate in reverse process also. Okay, reverse process in the sense 100 degrees Celsius steam converting into 100 degrees Celsius boiling water, 100 degrees Celsius boiling water converted into 0 degrees Celsius ice, 0 degrees Celsius ice converting into 0 degrees Celsius water, 0 degrees Celsius ice converting into minus 5 degrees Celsius of ice. Okay, how much heat energy released? The amount of heat energy observed is equals to the amount of heat energy released. Okay, this is one problem which is important for you in 10th class. So once check it. These are the values which are remains constant. Okay, these are the formulas we are using in this. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay, if there is a change in temperature, one formula we need to use. If there is no change in temperature, one more formula we need to use. Okay, this is one problem which is very important to you. Okay, ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.